Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in today's video we will be making some baked red snapper, and here are the ingredients you will need to put this recipe together. I have some oil, I have some green seasoning, I have here some rosemary, freshly grated lemon zest, I have some Goya Sazon, and I'm using the bright orange color one. This packet here will leave the bright orange color on your fish. I have some paprika, fish seasoning, and this is the Chief brand fish seasoning that I'm using here. I have some onion powder, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some garlic salt, and some Old Bay. Now here's my fish. I've already washed and prepared them, so all we have to do now is to get them seasoned and let it sit to marinate for about 30 or 40 minutes or so. Now to a bowl, you're gonna add in about 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using some avocado oil today, but you can use any oil that you have in hand. And to that, I will be adding in all my dry ingredients, my lemon zest here, and you want to mix this and make sure that all the ingredients are combined. Now we're going to place that on the side. So I'm going to transfer my fish to this baking tray so I have enough space to season it. And just in case you don't want to make as much as I am making, you can just split the ingredients and the fish in half. I'm using about 3 to 3 1/4 pounds of fish today. And you can go ahead and prepare your green seasoning the way you like it. You can add whatever you like to add in and take out whatever you like to take out. The only thing is try to get it at a puree consistency. And you're gonna go in there and try to get all in between the fish here. I also make a few slits on the top, so you want to get in between there as well. Now that we got the fish seasoned, we're gonna add in the dry ingredients that we prepare here with the oil. I'm gonna go in with my hands. Now you wanna make sure you spread that in between the fish evenly. And now for my rosemary, I'm just gonna flip the belly and I'm gonna place one piece just in there. So I'm gonna allow this to sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, I already prepped my pan here that I'm gonna bake my fish in, and I'm using this baking rack here. The reason I'm using the baking rack is because we wouldn't be able to flip the fish over, so we want to create like a little shelf where the heat can circulate and bake the bottom of the fish. We want both sides to be baked evenly. I'm going to transfer my fish over here to this baking pan now. So you want to make sure that you just rub in the seasoning. That's probably not showing like it have any. And just make sure that the rosemary did not fall out. Now my oven is preheated to 425 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for about 30 to 40 minutes or until you have that nice golden brown color on the top. I am using the even bake feature that is with the fan, and the fan is going to help me to circulate the heat on the bottom of the fish and on top of the fish, and they're all going to be having the same color. Now, if you have that feature, I will advise you to do that, but if not, then just make use of what you have. So I'm going to allow my oven to come up to that temperature before I put my fish in. So I'll see you guys back in 30 minutes when I'm ready to take it out. So guys, my fish is done baking. They were baking for exactly 45 minutes. I kept them in the oven. So I'll just allow this to cool down before Chloe tries it, and she will let you guys know how good it is, and I'll plate some up and show you guys the final result. So guys, the final result of our baked red snapper. Today we will be having our red snapper with some stir-fry broccoli and some boil and fry cassava with stewed red onions. So we hope you enjoy and give this recipe a try. I will be bringing my boil and fry cassava with stewed red onion soon, so you can look out for that video as well. But this is the final result, and I'm just gonna break into the fish so you see how moist and how well done it is on the inside. And Chloe will try it and she will tell you guys how good it is.
I'm Chloe the chef.
So guys, we're gonna just cut into this so we show you how moist and how well done our fish is on the inside. Look at that.
Yummy. Yum, yum, yum.
And this is well done.
Yummy. I want some. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yummy. Bye. See you in the next video. We'll see you later. Bye.